Welcome back to the channel. Right now I have this chart of Infosys and this is the daily chart of the stock. So if I start to have a very broad view on the stock, I could really see that this whole down move right from 1950s levels to the recent bottom which we made around 1100 or 1200 levels could be labeled as a complex Elliott wave correction, not going into those complex correction, but I feel that it's possible that we might be able to label this as an A wave, B wave, this as an A wave, and possible wave C. And within the wave C, you tend to get those three wave subdivisions, which I could really label them as A, B, C, wherein even in C wave you have got five wave decline. So it's a reasonable setup with a good risk to reward on the higher side. And when you complete uh, such a such a long lasting complex Elliott wave correction, and which is bottomed out uh, with news factor, then it's a no-brainer, I guess. So if I see, the low was made around 1185 levels, and the high is around the swing high was around 1269.95. Let's round it up to 1270. So a possible close above 1270 would mean that you have completed this short-term correction, and I'd start to label this as wave one, and the ongoing move as a series of wave one and wave two. So this as wave one, wave two, and you uh, start to label this as well as wave one. So you got 1 2 1 2, and it's possible that you start to see 3 4 3 4 in coming days. What I mean by wave 3 4 3 4 is you would eventually start to go towards 1360 levels, and in not in immediate future, but in, let's say, in next 1 to 2 months, you eventually see 1400 levels. That is what I see on Infosys. This is uh, by taking into simple assumption that this complex correction is over. And I also have this bullish view on Dixon Technologies, wherein I feel that this whole thing from uh, 2550 levels could be some sort of leading diagonal, and you might have completed this wave 2 over here. You got 1 2 1 2, and it's possible that Dixon Technologies might start to head higher from here. I have placed a small stop loss of the swing low, which comes around 2821 levels, and in anticipation that if this move is this whole correction is over, we would eventually start to go towards 4800 levels, is what I feel. Take out at the charts. I this is the positions which I've taken. Infosys, I have Infosys May future and Dixon May future, well, and I've got them around. I've got Infosys at 1260 and Dixon May futures around 2920. So I think that was it for the video. Thank you.